Hello Xer Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is all about the C# default interface class. Now let's open our Visual Studio. Then create a new project. Console Application Net Framework. Then enter project name default interface. So this is the interface of C# class. The using system line means that you are using the system library in your project, which gives you some useful classes and functions like the console class or the readLang function method. The namespaces named default interface are used to logically arrange classes, structs, interfaces, enums, and delegates.
Class program is the main class of the project. The main method.
Static makes the method accessible and usable. Void means method doesn't have a return type. Main is the name of the method and contains a parameter string, args, which means the argument to be passed to the method is a string.